Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting English grammar quiz tailored specifically for kids. Whether you're a young learner looking to brush up on your grammar skills or a parent or teacher wanting to make learning fun, you're in the right place. Get ready to test your knowledge with these 30 sets of questions and answers. Remember, the more you practice, the better you'll become. So, let's dive right in and see how well you do. Question 1. Dogs. Bones. A. Eats. B. Eating. C. Eat. D. Ate. Answer is C. Eat. Great job. Question 2. The sun. In the morning. A. Shines. B. Shone. C. Shinning. D. Shine. Answer is A. Shines. Well done. Question 3. She. Her homework yesterday. A. Doing. B. Did. C. Does. D. Do. Answer is B. Did. Excellent work. Question 4. We. To the beach last summer. A. Go. B. Goes. C. Went. D. Going. Answer is C. Went. Perfect. Question 5. The cat. On the windowsill. A. Sits. B. Sitting. C. Sit. D. Sat. Answer is A. Sits. Fantastic. Question 6. They. To the party tomorrow. A. Will go. B. Went. C. Goes. D. Going. Answer is A. Will go. Superb job. Question 7. He. His bike every morning. A. Ride. B. Riding. C. Rode. D. Rides. Answer is D. Rides. Keep it up. Question 8. My sister. A beautiful song yesterday. A. Sing. B. Sang. C. Sings. D. Singing. Answer is B. Sang. Wonderful. Question 9. They. For their exams last week. A. Study. B. Studied. C. Studying. D. Studies. Answer is B. Studied. Terrific. Question 10. The birds. In the trees every morning. A. Chirps. B. Chirping. C. Chirped. D. Chirped. Answer is D. Chirped. Excellent work. Question 11. Sarah. To the store to buy some milk this morning. A. Goes. B. Going. C. Went. D. Go. Answer is C. Went. Great job. Question 12. The flowers. Beautiful in the garden. A. Looks. B. Looking. C. Looked. D. Look. Answer is D. Look. Well done. Question 13. We. A delicious meal at the restaurant yesterday. A. Eats. B. Eating. C. Ate. D. Eat. Answer is C. Ate. Excellent work. Question 14. The baby. Loudly in the crib. A. Cry. B. Crying. C. Cried. D. Cries. Answer is B. Crying. Perfect. Question 15. They. The new movie last night. A. Watched. B. Watching. C. Watch. D. Watches. Answer is A. Watched. Fantastic. Question 16. The students. Their exams next week. A. Will taking. B. Took. C. Takes. D. Will take. Answer is D. Will take. Superb job. Question 17. The chef. A delicious cake for the party. A. Baked. B. Baking. C. Bakes. D. Bake. Answer is A. Baked. Keep it up. Question 18. The train. On time every day. A. Arriving. B. Arrived. C. Arrives. D. Arrive. Answer is C. Arrives. Wonderful. Question 19. My brother. His room yesterday. A. Cleaned. B. Cleaning. C. Cleaned. D. Cleans. Answer is C. Cleaned. Terrific. Question 20. The baby. His first steps yesterday. A. Takes. B. Took. C. Taking. D. Take. Answer is B. Took. Excellent work. Question 21. The flowers. In the breeze. A. Blow. B. Blowing. C. Blew. D. Blows. Answer is A. Blow. Great job. Question 22. I. To the gym every day. A. Go. B. Going. C. Goes. D. Went. Answer is A. Go. Well done. Question 23. The students. A break after the exam. A. Taking. B. Took. C. Takes. D. Take. Answer is D. Take. Fantastic. Question 24. The sun. Early in the morning. A. Rise. B. Rises. C. Rising. D. Rose. Answer is B. Rises. Perfect. Question 25. The cat. Under the table. A. Sleeps. B. Sleeping. C. Slept. D. Sleep. Answer is A. Sleeps. Excellent work. Question 26. They. To the park last Sunday. A. Go. B. Went. C. Going. D. Goes. Answer is B. Went. Superb job. Question 27. My mom. Dinner right now. A. Cooking. B. Cook. C. Cooks. D. Cooked. Answer is C. Cooks. Keep it up. Question 28. We. A lot of fun at the party yesterday. A. Have. B. Having. C. Had. D. Has. Answer is C. Had. Wonderful. Question 29. The baby. In the crib all night. A. Cries. B. Crying. C. Cried. D. Cry. Answer is A. Cries. Terrific. Question 30. They. To the concert next week. A. Go. B. Going. C. Went. D. Will go. Answer is D. Will go. Great job. Well done, everyone. I hope you enjoyed our English grammar quiz and learned something new today. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep exploring the world of grammar. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, share it with your friends, and hit the like button below. Your support means the world to us. Until next time, happy learning!